Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Yaris radio. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a plastic trim removal tool to safely pry off panels without causing damage. A Phillips head screwdriver is crucial for many fasteners. Depending on your Yaris model, an 8mm or 10mm socket wrench might be necessary. A magnetic screwdriver can be a real lifesaver for tiny screws. Remember to disconnect your car's negative battery cable before starting for safety. Now, let's get that old radio out. Begin by using your plastic trim tool to carefully pry around the edges of the trim panels surrounding your radio and climate controls. These are usually held by clips. Once the trim is off, you'll typically find 4 screws, often 8 or 10mm, holding the radio in place. Unscrew these, then gently pull the radio forward. Disconnect the main wiring harnesses and the antenna cable by pressing their release tabs. Don't forget to keep the metal mounting brackets. You might need them for your new unit. With the old radio removed, it's time for the new one. First, connect your new radio's wiring harness adapter to your car's factory wiring loom. This ensures proper power and speaker connections. Next, attach the antenna adapter to guarantee good radio signal reception. Now, mount your new radio to the metal brackets you saved from the old unit, typically using 4 screws. Carefully plug all the new wiring harnesses and the antenna cable into the back of your new radio, making sure each connection is firm and correct. We're almost done. Gently slide your new radio into the dashboard opening, ensuring it seats correctly. Reinstall the 4 mounting screws to secure the unit firmly. Now, carefully reattach all the dashboard trim panels, pressing them firmly until they clip back into place. Once everything is physically reassembled, reconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. Finally, turn on your Yaris and thoroughly test all functions of your new radio, including sound, balance, fading, and tuning, to ensure everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.